Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Cedella Marley has resigned as the global ambassador for the Reggae Girlz. Her decision comes after 10 years in partnership with the JFF to raise funds for the Reggae Girlz as they qualified for 2 senior World Cups. Marley's decision was communicated to the JFF in a letter on Thursday, and this was seen by TVJ Sports. Marley said, quote, "Going forward, I will continue to support the development of Jamaican women's football under the Football is Freedom initiative." She has now indicated her foundation is cutting off funding of the National Women's Program. Jamaican international Leon Bailey has been voted as a Player of the Month for December by Aston Villa fans. And the winger was in fine form across the final month of 2023, scoring 3 goals and notching 2 assists. Bailey had goals against Brentford, Manchester City and Burnley, while notching assists against Arsenal and also Brentford. The former Bayer Leverkusen player has also racked up 6 goals to match his 5 assists in his 18 games for Aston Villa this season as he enjoys life under coach Unai Emery. Aston Villa is currently on 42 points and are second in the English Premier League standings. Locally, former Portmore United midfielder Shivani Willis is back home as he has completed his season in the USL League, this in the USA. Willis, who played for Union Omaha in the United Soccer League for 2 years, says he's happy with his time in Nebraska.
Over there, nice experience. I'm living in Omaha. I really get to love Omaha, and I really met some people, becomes family to me. You know, and I really even miss some of them right now, but unfortunately I'm not there anymore. You know, I'm still happy for them. They're gonna be having a season this year. Hopefully they can go as far as possible.
And as for his immediate future in the sport, Willis knows exactly what his next move will be.
It's either the MLS or in Europe. I'm not focusing on USL anymore because, you know, I've been there for 4 years now. But now I'm trying to focus on going to Europe or to the MLS, you know.
And that's the final whistle. And that is it for your lunchtime sports. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.